Srivadi College, when I heard about this Srivadi College, I was like a little skeptical because I haven't heard about this college when as a sub-collector I am here for last 1.5 years, but still I didn't hear about this college, and I am sorry for that because such a big institution and such a respectable institution with such a big repute. It was my mistake, which I never heard about your institution. But then when I came here, I see this as an institution which people will be looking for in the future. It's not because of this achievement of your 15 rank holders. It's because of the kind of atmosphere we have here. It's because of, I think, the discipline and the teachers and the kind of trustees you have here. And one more thing I would like to highlight here. Now, all of us are looking at Srividya and other 14 rank holders here with excitement. And we are looking at them, thinking that how they might have achieved this rank, right? At least some of you might be thinking, okay, these kids must be some extraordinary, super genius, maybe some kind of Einstein kind of people, or the back row must be thinking, oh, no, these guys are very bookish, I can't be like this, right? Maybe we kind of try to interpret in our own way how they might have achieved the rank. And at least a good percentage of you must be thinking, if at all possible, I should also be getting a rank. I should at least try to get a rank. For all of those who would like to have a rank, or rather would like to have a success in your life, should ask for the secret of this success. If you get a chance to talk to these rank holders one-to-one, you should ask them, what are the reasons behind your success? What are the special things you might have done to achieve this great rank?